back, everybody. Welcome back to Cooking with Chef Puff. We bring you the good stuff. Okay, what we're going to be doing today, we're also going to be doing some shrimp. Shrimp done on the Blackstone griddle, but I'm going to be using, you know how they do it in Red Lobster, with these small ramekins here. All right, and I'll be using a Sweet Baby Ray's garlic Parmesan cheese sauce, which this was purchased at Restaurant Depot, and some olive oil, and maybe some sweet preacher. All right, has all the seasoning in it. Has a little sweetness of peaches. Tastes really, really good. And maybe we'll be using some garlic paste. All right, so without further ado, let's get to cooking here. All right, what I'm going to do now, I have all these shrimp. They've been washed and cleaned up. I'm just going to add them to the pan here. All right. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my seasoning. I don't have to use a whole lot, but I want the flavor profile to be out of this world. All right, and I also want to add some olive oil. Some olive oil to it. Nice and coated. Oh, found the shell. Excuse me, a tail. All right. Now, what I'm going to do now, get my ramekin, and I'm going to start placing the shrimp in here like this. I'm going to try to fit as many as I can in here. All right. There we go. There we go. And I think I can get one more. One more in here. There we go. Very nice. And for the next one here. All right. I think I'll do it like that. Forward, back, forward, back. Change direction of the tails. Yeah, that's a better way. Get it on the side here. Get one more on the side. And there we go. All right. I'm going to cover these with some plastic wrap. And I'm going to let this marinate. And before I start to cook them, I'm going to add the garlic Parmesan sauce to it. All right. And let it cook in the sauce itself. So I'll be back when we start on that next step. All right, everybody. Welcome back. We're going to be doing the shrimp. I already seasoned the shrimp, and I seasoned them with the peach seasoning, and now I'm going to put some Sweet Baby Ray garlic Parmesan sauce on it, each one. So I'm not putting a whole lot. I'm just putting enough to cover them a little bit. All right. So, This is how we're going to do it. Just enough. Okay. Now what we're going to do, I have an oven preheated at 400 degrees. So we're going to put them in the oven at 400 degrees. This is not going to take long to cook. But I do have my warming drawer ready. All right. So, we'll see everybody when basically the shrimps are done. Okay, everybody. These shrimps. Woo. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. They're done. They're done. All right. Look at that. All right. This is my take on shrimp Parmesan crusted shrimp. Okay. I would taste them right now, but I'm gonna taste them later on. So when I make a plate, we'll be doing some serious tasting because this smells so good. All right, so I'll be back when everything is all set up for tasting. All right, everybody, welcome back. We're cooking with Chef Pop. All right, the shrimps are done. They're beautiful. So let's dig in. All right. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. You can never go wrong with shrimp. Oh. Oh, they're still hot. See, I can't stop eating these. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Sorry, people. Well, you got to give this recipe a try. It has all the elements of the flavor profile that you're looking for. If you ever go to Red Lobster and you get their shrimp that's in those dishes, it's just like that. All right. It's not hard to do. Like I always say, enjoy it. Don't be afraid of it, but just enjoy. All right. And people will love your cooking. But the thing about it, with people loving your cooking, you might not be able to get rid of them. Okay. But it's just it's just so delicious. The smell, the taste. I mean, it's like 5-star dining here. All right, so without further ado, everybody, thank you for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, and y'all guys have a wonderful evening.